Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Hey guys.
So I got some items from my mother-in-law, Lida, and I just wanted to show you guys what we're putting in the store. So she has these pink tatted hearts. We have some lavender ones. Have some cream and some white hearts and red, I believe. So those are going in the store. They're actually already in there. So the store is listed below, and it's the Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy. So you can go over there and pick whatever color you want. We have them listed for individuals, so you can buy the exact colors you want. We have some of the little roses still, so 2 red and 1 pink. She did do some of these kind of circles. You can use them as to like highlight something or just to kind of do a collage
Looks like
with.
a wreath.
Yeah, they're like little wreaths.
Oh, that's neat.
So she has 6 of the green and 6 of the white, I think. No, 4 white. So she had those. Sorry, can you even see those? I zoomed in way. I way zoomed in. I don't know. And then she had a couple of tatted crosses.
Boy, she's talented.
That are pretty good size. This one's about
3.5 inches.
I think it's 4. I can't remember.
Yep.
Yeah, about 4 by 2.5 or something. Isn't that cute? It's let me find. Sorry, excuse my arm, my big arm, my big arm. There we go. I think you can see it better. So, I think those are so pretty. And then she had this cream colored one.
Oh, wow.
Those are all listed in the store. And then she had these really fun, they're leaves is what she called them. So she has like 7 of the autumn leaves.
Wow.
Aren't those pretty?
I haven't even seen them. Boy, those are beautiful.
Yeah, I spent all morning doing this. It really gave me a headache. Putting everything in the store because we have other stuff too. So yeah, she's got like 7 of those and then these white ones, or I think they're cream.
Yeah, that's
Cream color ones. So if you're looking for some more tatted items, pretty much everything's tatted except the 3 roses that we've had in the store.
yeah,
So I kind of got everything updated. Sorry, I'm just going to toss them together. In the store, so you can go check that out. I might have to take some of those leaves if there's any left because those are so pretty. This is called Dolce, let's see, yes, like Dolce, D-O-L-C-H, Match Set 2. Picture word matching game. So on the back, it might say grass, and then on the front is a picture, or vice versa, which I love these. So there's not a whole lot of these, but they are in the store now. So you'll get 5 of the green and 5 of the yellow. So I love that because you can still kind of dress or decorate one side and still have the other side. So those are in the store. We have some German kind of flashcards. So you get 20 of those in each set. And it's titled like German and Spanish because they're both about the same size. One's German and then I have a Spanish set as well. So when I went ahead and I'm just sticking them in my bag until we sell them and marking it with German because I don't speak it. So. And then here's the Spanish ones. So they're all about the same size. I don't know if I put the size, but 1.5 by about 3.5. So if you're looking for anything like that to put in your journals, those are really fun to decorate. Sorry, I just kind of needed to get these done so I can get them tucked away. And here is, we have some Coca-Cola Santa Clauses. So you'll get 5 of the red and 5 of the green ones. I love those, especially for Christmas. I love putting like coffee dyed paper on the back and maybe doing a decoration. Those are awesome. We have several sets of those in the store. Put that later. We have these, which are kind of like little photo albums. And I think they were, let me kind of zoom out again. Sorry. Like when you go and get your photo made with Santa, and then you can slide in like your picture. It's about 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. So I'm thinking you probably 4 by 6 or something would fit in here. But I was thinking for to put in your signatures if you're doing a Christmas journal, and then you could just kind of put either a picture or journaling card or something in there. You'll get, these come 5 to a set. Took all morning. It took me like 2 or 3 hours to list all these. I see why people are like, oh, I'm so tired of listing YouTube or Etsy stuff. The last thing we have that we added to the store is we added some napkins. You'll get 2 of each. And these are pretty limited as well. So you get 2 of the Cardinals, 2 of these kind of Santa Claus ones, 2 of these cute little snowman ones with the little squirrel, or maybe that's a fox. 2 of those, 2 of the little snowman guys. This poinsettia, these beautiful holly berries, and this poinsettia. So all those are in the store now. Again, that link is below. And I just wanted to share that with you guys, and then also I want to do a quick tutorial on how I made those one, let me find them real
Doilies,
quick.
paper doilies.
Oh, sorry. Those
Hey,
one,
guys, just to let you know, I busted my butt this weekend. I actually got 10 of the ink blenders carved.
yeah,
So I'll be sanding Sunday.
he's going to be getting things sanded.
So.
And then I'm going to show you how I sprayed these doilies and got this color. So I'm going to go gather my stuff for this. I kind of wanted to put up all my Etsy stuff because this can be messy and I didn't want like overspray or anything. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I had someone ask me, I'm sorry I can't remember the name, but she was wondering how I colored my doilies. And I just use white doilies and Distress ink. So I'm going to go ahead and if I can read these, yeah. This is Twisted Citron, so it's kind of a green. These are just the Distress sprays. These all came in one set, and I will put that link below for, you know, if you're looking for like a set of these colors. So that was Twisted Citron. This one is Ground Espresso. This one is Fossilized Amber, which is really low. That's the one we've been using the most.
Yeah, I use that one a lot.
Candied Apple. Abandoned Coral. And Carved Pumpkin. So she was wondering how we got, you know, those colors. She didn't see a tutorial because I didn't do one. So I just thought, well, maybe you wouldn't need one, but I agree. We need one, don't we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these over here because they get spray all over them if they're pretty close. And what I do is first of all, I have like a box. It's just a box that has about a 3-inch lip on it all the way around. Kind of catches the spray. And then I just laid some cardstock down. So kind of do this again, kind of like what we did the first time. I just kind of covered the bottom with cardstock and put my doilies down. And then I'm just going to use the ground espresso, just a little bit for each one. My idea when I did this is that candied apple, is to just use fall colors, of course. See, I'm already getting it all over me. Carved pumpkin, just a little bit all over. I didn't really use the green that much, but you know, some stuff still has a little bit of green. And then I did, this is that abandoned coral, just to kind of shake it up and everything. And now they look like just different, you know, just bright different colors. Well, then I took, Clint said I needed the yellow, so I got the fossilized amber, and I think this is where it takes on a more fall look. And I just sprayed the whole thing with fossilized amber like that, and it kind of takes on that golden color that I think our that fall kind of is. And then I just went ahead and pressed another piece of cardstock on them, the bottom, and did another set. I'm just doing 4 because that's just what I happened to pull this time, and kind of just do the same thing. I mean, you can do red, more brown, or whatever, less brown. It's really fun. And of course, if you're having a nice day, you could go outside and do it. I feel like this pretty much keeps the mess contained, though, you know, it's not 100% contained. But it doesn't bother me too much. And then, what other color did I want? Did I already do this one? Yeah. I feel like I'm missing a color. And then we'll just spray it all down again with the fossilized amber. But I really like how just putting the, yeah, we're almost out. I think I'm going to have to go shopping. But yeah, and then when they dry, what I did is I just put it up so my cats can't get into it. And then when they dried, they just kind of turned out like this. And then this will go into my book, or I can use it for collaging or whatever I want to do. So, just very simple, very easy, but she asked if I would show a tutorial on how I actually did them. And so I hope that helped you. So again, I will put, like I said, we got all these in one batch. I bought them for Clint because he loves doing stuff like this.
That was
So one day I was like, surprise!
Oh, and I was so excited too.
He was excited. He loves just
That's
playing.
the only paper thing I enjoy except for the origami.
Yeah.
Things. That's it.
And then the paper, the cardstock and stuff we can use as well. So it's kind of nice to have, you know, something to catch the overspray, things like that. So hopefully this helps. Again, go below for my Etsy shop, and if you're interested in finding out how to, or where to buy these distress inks. They're kind of expensive, but they're really fun. And I think in the long run, they're not, you know, I think the price more than makes up for it. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure and visit the Etsy store and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.